Did you know that in some cultures, there's a belief that sneezing with your eyes open can make your eyes pop out of their sockets? Contrary to popular belief, it is actually possible to sneeze with your eyes open, although doctors do not recommend it. So why do we sneeze in the first place? When something irritates the mucous membranes in the nose or throat, the body expels it with a sudden burst. This burst of air and microorganisms is the body's way of cleaning itself. But why do we close our eyes when we sneeze? One theory suggests that it is a protective reflex to prevent microorganisms from causing infections or irritating the eyes. Another theory suggests that it's related to the contraction of our facial muscles during a sneeze, which also explains why our face contorts in a peculiar way during a sneeze.